Hello, my people. This is Go TV. I still asking myself when all these things will end in Igbo land. God, when? Now, all these things that when we see, people will be afraid to travel back home. Mwoge afucha feni no ne mekwado kona akana bogo yofaka. Imagine Nananka, Anambra State, governor in a try, but we need more. Because this December for how many months? 2 months call for. A lot of people will not come back. Who will suffer it? And where some poor people in a village. Person at December, na gaba for Christmas. Na gebu rice beef. I'm the one at no. When big man did not come back, can you go yesu be at rice? Can you go yesu wake in a village? Just watch this video. If I have an watch this video. What happened to one of our brother? Only Igbo kwa.
Onye anyị butere anyị nwere ka ekere agbụ busa n'ụzọ ọ ka atọpụtagodi ya ka amara ebe o si na ndị drọpụ ya ebe a. Ụmụnne m, let us be careful ihe na-emekwa na this country. Ụta ka esi kee ya ma n'ihu ma n'aka everywhere. Ebusa ya ebe a ile anya ihe ahụta ya moto. Yeah, I'll tell you to maybe in the drop right here. Yeah, never. I come up by here, man. Cut up the wood. How can they come? Come behind. Okay, I'm gonna go to what really happened. That's my belt. My belt to care. Ah, yeah, mean.
Hey. Ông có đâu cứ ta đấy. Đã không kịp được quyền.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 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 I'm sorry. No, chere. Sorry. No, it's in one year, Nanka. It's in 1 year, Nanka. Kede. Chere. Kede onye be Nanka. Onye ambre bananka. Kede aha gị? Emenike. Yes.
Ha na bani.
Kede ha butere gị?
Ebe ha butere wala Nanka. Ha na na my house.
Abia na your house.
Ha na na my house.
Okay.
Ha bulum.
Aburugo nwe ihe nara gị. Nwe ihe anapụrụ gị.
I'm for the I don't know.
Ka kwa yi mba, o to kid mba.
Imonye na-akpọ Ken Okoli. Nanka.
Yes. Ken Okoli, yes.
Youth chairman ndị Anambra State.
Yes.
Imaya?
Onye ifite.
Ngwa.
Now don't see him. After this thing now, person go get mind. Say one go back to Nigeria. When they will know for 10 years time, we can never chukwu. When they will in 10 years time, you never see them in Nigeria. Especially in that America, Canada, that green card. Aka, yellow cocaco. See Nigeria, bye, and Igbo, bye. The Toblo Nako percent this day.